Welcome. Let's install roof rack crossbars on the Buick Enclave 2017 to 2024. Open the box and gather all the tools needed for the installation. Unlock the caps on all of the head units. Insert the head unit into each end of the aluminum profile. Remove the factory bolts from the fixing points on top of your vehicle. Align the bracket into position, then tighten it using the bolts. Place the head unit on top of your vehicle and align it properly in position. Insert the yellow tab with the nut into place, then tighten it using the bolt. Tighten the yellow knob on the head unit to secure the connection between the head unit and aluminum profile once they are properly aligned. Insert the key into the cap, turn to open, place it on the head unit, then lock it securely. The cap will only open when the key is in the unlocked position, so pay attention to that. That's it. Your roof rack is now installed and ready for the road. Thanks for watching, and for more installation guides or compatible products, visit pawauto.com. Drive safely.